Hindi sa naga!
Ini pong Youth Innovation Summit po, tigtatakal niya po ito yung kumbaga si gap analysis and solution building sa tuyang syudad as funded and supported po kang Safe and Sound Cities tapos kang Resolve Foundation po.
Si youth mismo ang maisip kang programa since hindi po si nakaka-experience kang mga concerns ninda.
For me, the experience was very refreshing as well as I find it as well innovative kasi empowering our youth with necessary skills, we can turn them into a strength and not a liability when it comes to disasters.
Part of the project implementation pa, meron kayong marireceive na allowances. Whatever your idea in mind even has the potential to be funded by either the S2 cities or even by the local government. What other program at the moment can offer that?
So dapat ang gobyerno, in order to be called para masabi na ikaw ang good governance, should have not only people participation, transparency, accountability, but all that it is doing should be responsive to the needs and dapat efficient man siya.
Ang magigibota digdi sa programang ini pwedeng pangarugan kang ibang nasyon kasi ibang syudad. So spread the word na igwakitang unyan ning organing Youth Innovation Summit and igwakitang Youth Innovation Fellowship.
Like, di sa naga, safe ka.